Hello classmates, this is John Hipple. This last week I learned how to use subqueries. I found this to be a great way how to obtain data from one table to be used in a second script using a different table. The task was to use the TAL database and list the order numbers that contained an order line for an item in category PLZ. Let's go ahead and open up Microsoft Server Studio. Go ahead and connect and run a new query. Going to open a couple queries, total of 3. I'm going to go ahead and show the first approach that used 2 separate scripts. I go ahead and keep my notes and scripts in the Excel database, so I have kept the script here, and I'm going to paste it into my first query here. Control V. I'm going to execute it, and it doesn't work. So I don't have the correct database selected. I'm going to go ahead and do what Professor Burke suggested and type in use TAL. When I do that and execute it, I get the item numbers that have the PZL in the category column. If I go ahead and select a different database and run it, it reverts back to TAL. So it's really it's a good practice to use the use function for the database. The next thing I'm going to run is the database, the script that contains those item numbers that we found in the first query right here: DR67, FH24, KD34, and MT03. You'll see it right here. When I run that, I have the same problem because here I didn't use the use function. So here are the order numbers that we're looking for: 51623 listed 3 times, and 51625. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a nested query. I'm going to grab the script from here. Actually, I'm going to grab the script from here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Control copy, paste, close bracket or parentheses, execute. Has the U database selected here, so it went from master to TAL. So this is a nested query that does the function of these 2 queries in one move. So I'm using the nested queries using the item table. Once I've got the items from the item table, it then populates the order line and gives me the order numbers 51623 and 61625. I hope you find that useful.